Hello everyone, I am Spurti from A Plus Academy from class 10th. Today I am going to explain you about the human heart. Human heart has 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are known as atrium and lower 2 chambers are known as ventricles. So now let me explain you about the parts of the heart. Pulmonary veins. It collects the oxygenated blood brought from the lungs. Vena cava from the upper body. It collects the deoxygenated blood from the upper parts of the body. Vena cava from the lower body. It collects the deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of the body. Next comes right atrium. The upper and lower vena cava comes into the right atrium. The collected deoxygenated blood from the upper and lower vena cava comes into the right atrium, and then it pushes the deoxygenated blood into the right ventricle. The right ventricle pushes the deoxygenated blood to the pulmonary arteries to the lungs. Next comes pulmonary veins. It collects the oxygenated blood from the lungs to through the pulmonary veins. The oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins comes to the left atrium. The left atrium pushes the oxygenated blood to the left ventricle. The left ventricle sends the oxygenated blood to the aorta. The aorta passes the oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body for cellular activities. Next comes septum. Septum is also known as the dividing wall because it divides the left and right part of the heart. It also prevents from mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from the heart. To measure the blood pressure is also measured by an instrument called sphygmomanometer. The normal systolic blood pressure is 180 mm and the normal diastolic blood pressure is 80 mm. Thank you.